Ah, freak the transformation. Yo, this is unreal, bro. I'm really about to see a werewolf. What the hell is that?
This is the real me.
You're a freaking furry.
I'm a werewolf.
You're not a werewolf, you're a furry.
The answer to why they won't accept me.
Because you're a furry.
This is the reason why all the girls are scared and run away.
Because you're a furry.
I just don't know why they won't accept me.
Because you're a furry.
Don't call me that.
Don't you ever growl at me again.
I knew you'd never understand the real me.
She cheated on me again. What should I do?
I think you should just break up with her.
I can't. I love her.